Influencers, love them or hate them, they're making millions. But how exactly do they make money, and more importantly, who's paying them? Welcome to Talk Billions to Me, where we expose the business behind the fame. Subscribe now. The truth you're about to hear? They never wanted it public. When you think of influencers making money, you probably think of brand sponsorships. And yes, that's part of it, but only a small slice. The truth? Most successful influencers have 5 to 7 different income streams. From platforms to products, their empire is more structured than it looks. Stick around. We're breaking them down one by one. Brands pay influencers for access to attention. It's not about the number of followers, but the level of engagement. A micro-influencer with 10,000 followers might earn $250 to $500 per post. A macro-influencer? $2,000 to $10,000 per campaign. But here's the twist. The money doesn't come from the brand. It comes from you. Every click, every purchase, every second you watch, you're funding the system. YouTube pays through ads. TikTok has the Creator Fund. Instagram offers minimal incentives. And the payouts? 1 million views on YouTube equals around $3,000. 1 million views on TikTok might be $30 to $100. That's why smart influencers don't rely solely on platforms. They use platforms as marketing machines, not salaries. Subscribe if you want a full episode breaking down platform payouts. One of the fastest growing revenue streams is UGC, user-generated content for brands. A creator with 0 followers can make $300 to $1,000 per video without ever posting it publicly. Smart influencers now build UGC teams to produce high-volume content for brands while maintaining their public image. Save this strategy, no followers needed, just skills and strategy. Ever notice those link in bio promotions? Affiliate marketing lets influencers earn commissions without selling directly. A beauty influencer promoting Amazon products can make $500 to $1,500 from a few viral videos. Passive, recurring income, the smart influencer's dream. The real wealth, it's built by owning products. Let's look at some examples. Emma Chamberlain. Emma started as a vlogger with relatable content. Now, she owns Chamberlain Coffee, hosts a top-rated podcast, and has brand deals with Louis Vuitton and Cartier. Estimated net worth over $12 million, most of it not from YouTube ads. Mr. Beast didn't just go viral, he built a business empire. Mr. Beast Burger, Feastables Candy, YouTube Spanish channels, gaming and philanthropy. He reinvests millions to scale every vertical, creating multiple cash flows. Khaby Lame, the silent TikTok comedian, rose to fame with simple, relatable videos. Today, he earns millions from brand endorsements like Hugo Boss and Binance, and is building a global licensing brand, all without saying a single word. Rochelle Lehrer, a professional dancer and content creator, grew from performing on global stages to influencing digital audiences. With over 1.9 million TikTok followers, she now partners with major lifestyle and beauty brands, monetizes YouTube long-form content, launches branded merch and projects like her podcast, and soon, her own creator education platform. Rochelle proves that when creativity meets strategy, influence becomes an empire. Hit subscribe. We bring real case studies every week. You are the audience, the customer, the algorithm's fuel. Every time you watch longer, click, comment, or buy, you're funding their growth. Platforms win, brands win, but the smartest influencers, they win again and again. Influence is no longer a hobby, it's a multi-billion-dollar industry. They don't just post selfies, they build brands, sell products, create ecosystems. Viral moments don't make influencers rich, systems do. Subscribe to Talk Billions to Me, where we expose how ordinary people build extraordinary wealth.